Tree maps display data as categorized rectangles and are great for comparing proportions and detecting patterns, especially when comparing a large number of items simultaneously. This video will highlight the usefulness of the tree map, and how they are constructed, and how they can best be used in Izenda. Like any Izenda visualization, the user has access to the data sources selected for the report on the left side of the screen. By default, there are 5 distinct boxes in the configuration area for this chart type: title, description, labels, values, and separators. In this case, separators would construct additional tree map charts under the categories the date point generates. To begin constructing our tree map, we will need to drag some qualitative data objects into the labels section. This will set the square categories that will change their size based on the values added later. To prepare for the drill down behavior, we will also add an additional label. For this use case, we will have a breakdown of state values, with cities being the intended drill down. Now that our labels are in place, we can add a value. Any numeric or quantitative value will work here, but we will use line profit to have a breakdown of profit by state. Once our value is in place, the chart will render showing a number of blank squares that vary in size. Hovering over any one of these squares will give more details about the particular object. If we navigate over to the Report Part Properties panel, we can add labels to each square and make it more obvious what each square represents. Clicking one of these squares will drill down into that state and display cities in the exact same format as the previous layer. This drill down behavior can be set to whatever depth depending on the hierarchy built in the labels section. Drilling back to the top layer can be managed through the breadcrumb trail at the top. Tree maps in Izenda are unique in that they are currently the only chart visualization that can be rendered through the default High Charts library or the alternative 3-chart visualization library. This distinction can be made in the Report Part Properties panel under the Library drop-down menu. Finally, there is a multi-level option in case we want a more categorized experience similar to the behavior of a donut chart, where each subsection will be displayed in one singular visualization. For more tutorials on Izenda functionality and additional information on the platform, please watch our additional videos or visit our website to learn more.